Solution Class Test 2. Today is 29th July. Question number 1. First, it is given thickness of pipe T is equal to 1 centimeter. Outer radius R2 is equal to 7 centimeter. Height or length of a pipe H is equal to 210 centimeter. Volume of metal used in making pipe, how much? What? And now, inner radius is equal to outer radius minus thickness. Inner radius R1 is equal to R2 minus T. 7 minus 1 in 6 centimeter. Now, volume of metal used in pipe. Volume of metal used in making pipe. The formula pi h into R2 square minus R1 square. Putting value 22 by 7 into h 210 into 7 square minus 6 square centimeter cube. 660 into 13 centimeter cube. 8580 centimeter cube. Also, mass of pipe we know from formula mass is equal to volume into density. The mass of a pipe is equal to volume of metal used into mass per unit volume, it is called density. Mass per unit volume, it is called density. The volume into density, that is equal to mass. Volume 8580 into mass per unit centimeter cube, that is equal to 7 gram. It is equal to 60,060 gram, that is equal to 60 kg 60 gram. Now question number 2, its solution. Here it is given depth of tank is equal to 210 centimeter, that is equal to 2.1 meter, and curved surface area of tank, curved surface area 18.48 meter square, 18.48 meter square curved surface area. Capacity how much? So we have curved surface area of tank 2 pi RH. Putting value 18.48 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into R into H 2.1, or R is equal to 18 into 7 by 2 into 22 into 2.1 meter. R is equal to 1.4 meter. Now, R 1.4 meter, H 2.1 meter. Therefore, volume of pipe, volume of tank, the pi R square H, volume of tank pi R square H, 22 by 7 into R 1.4 squared, 1.4 into 1.4 into H 2.1 meter cube. That is equal to 12.936 meter cube volume of tank. Hence, capacity of tank is equal to 12.936 kiloliter. Otherwise, 12936 liters. Now, question number 3, solution. Given radius is to height, ratio of radius and height 2:3. The radius is to height is equal to 2:3. And its volume or capacity, here capacity given 12.936 liter is equal to 12936 centimeter cube. Convert liter into centimeter cube, so multiply it by 1000. The curved surface area how much? Since here ratio of radius and height 2:3, the let radius is 2x, the height becomes 3x. Let radius of tank 2x centimeter, therefore height is equal to 3x centimeter. The volume of tank pi R square H. Putting value we get 12936. Volume of tank is equal to pi 22 by 7 into R 2x R square, 2x into 2x, into H 3x. X into x into x, x cube. The x cube is equal to 12936 into 7 divided by 22 into 2 into 2 into 3. The x cube is equal to 343. The x is equal to 7, taking cube root on both sides. The x is equal to 7. The radius is equal to 2x, 2 into 7, 14 centimeter. And height is equal to 3x. The 3 into 7, 21 centimeter. Therefore, curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. 2 into pi, 22 by 7 into r, 14 into h, 21 centimeter square. That is equal to 1848 centimeter square. Now, solution for question number 3. Here, a cube of side 4 centimeter is melted and recast into the pipe. Here, change in shape, so volume remains unchanged. Here it is given age of cube A is equal to age of cube A is equal to 4 centimeter, and radius of pipe, radius of wire, cylindrical wire is in shape of cylinder. The radius of wire 7 millimeter. It is in centimeter, now it is in millimeter. Convert it into same unit. The 7 millimeter is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Length of wire how much? So now volume of cube, volume of this solid cube, the side cube, 4 cube, centimeter cube, 64 centimeter cube. Volume of this solid cube, the 64 centimeter cube. Now volume of wire, volume of cylindrical wire, the pi r square h, putting value pi 22 by 7 r, 0.7 into r square, 0.7 into 0.7 and into h, centimeter cube. That is equal to 1.54 h centimeter cube. According to question means question क्या कर रहा है, इसको मेल्ट करके इस रूप में लाए हैं. इसका वॉल्यूम और इसका वॉल्यूम दोनों सेम रहेगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, वॉल्यूम ऑफ वायर 1.54 h इज इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब 64. h is equal to 64 divided by 1.54 centimeter, and h is equal to 41.56 centimeter approx. Hence, length of wire is equal to 41.56 centimeter. Now, last question number 5 solution. The dimension of paper sheet, it is given length 20 centimeter and breadth 14 centimeter. Dimension of paper sheet given length 20 centimeter and breadth 14 centimeter. By rolling it along its breadth, breadth के along roll करने पर, breadth के along roll करने पर, by rolling it along its breadth, breadth के along roll करने पर, सिलेंडर फॉर्म, एक सिलेंडर बनता है. Circumference of the base of cylinder, circumference of the base of cylinder, सिलेंडर जो बनता है इसके circumference, that is equal to length of is equal to breadth of the paper sheet. Breadth of paper sheet 14 is equal to circumference 2 pi r. The r is equal to 14 by 2 pi r. Radius of the base of pipe 14 by 2 pi centimeter. Height of cylinder, that is equal to length. Height of cylinder, that is equal to length. Height of cylinder, that is equal to length. Length 20 centimeter. The volume of cylinder, pi r square h. Pi r square r 14 by 2 pi, 14 by 2 pi into 14 by 2 pi r square, and into h 20 centimeter cube. That is equal to 311.81 centimeter cube. Hence capacity, the centimeter cube, when volume in centimeter cube divide it by 1000, it becomes 0.3181 liters. Its volume becomes 0.3118 liters. Thank you.